Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kajing hikai bangin nang ban keren parang. Kane ka video kan yarap yapi. Hato pikwa ya kajing kala. Nada piyok sngeu jeng matoy na kane ka video. Wanam kelet ban share, like and subscribe ya kane ka channel. Alengin ya page ya kane kajing hikai. Do you want a change? Kasi hato pikwa ya kachingkala. What change do we want? Kasi kachingkala ayu ngikwa. If you want to change the world, start with yourself. Kasi nada pikwa pan kala ya kapertei sedang chua na lade. We need to change our mindset. Kasi ngi don kam ban kala ya kaching mod jing perkat jongi. We need to change our thinking. Kasi ni dan kam ban kala ya karukom perkat jongpi. We need to change our behavior. Kasi ni dan kam ban kala ya kajinglong jingman jongi. We need a strong leadership. Kasi ngi dan kam ya kinong yalam ki baklay. Why are a leader important? Kasi balay kinong yalam ki dan kam. To fight for the right of the people. Kasi ban yale ya kahok jong kipriu. A leader who speak the truth. Kasi unong yalam ubakren ya kaching shisha. A leader for the people. Kasi unong yalam jong kipajba. The problems we face day by day is because we lack a leadership. Kasi kaching bangi ya kendo man lagasngi kadai namar ngi duna kinong yalam. I don't know you agree or not, but I'm telling the truth. Kasi ngam tip pingay ne pimngay hanray ngakren ya kaching shisha. We laugh in everything. Kasi ngi duna habaro gilyang. Let us be the change. Kasi tongin long kaching kala. I hope you will understand my feelings. Kasi nga kermen pin sngeu tho ya kaching sngeu jonga. Change will come until we change ourselves. Kasi kaching kala kan van tat hado bangin kala shwa yalade. Thank you your patience, your love and your support. Kasi kublay shibon ya kaching yaisha jongpi. Kaching but kaching kershan jongpi. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.